Hello everyone, this is a testing video because there's a 17-mile wind outside. I wanted you guys to see this thing that I was able to hang up on the top of my door. My son found it. I did a video on it a while ago. Anyway, it's May 13th. It is 52 degrees. It's 4:45. There's a 17-mile-an-hour wind, so I have my headphones on with my speaker, and then I put a mask on, and it is cold outside, so I'm wearing gloves. And then, so, yesterday it snowed. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to do today's weather and tomorrow. Tomorrow is supposed to be 59, and it looks like it's, pretty much partly cloudy, so we'll see. So I wanted to come and check on what kind of damage the snow did. And I don't think it really did any damage. I mean, I've been pretty good about keeping my seeds. Oh, so now it's starting to fill in down here. That's good. Still a little bald in some spots. But this is it's starting to clear up over here. And I only see one coming up over here. So I'm going to have to, seed that. Listen here, you old man. Get out of my flower thing. And then here's the sunflowers over here. And it looks like they're doing good. Like they don't even care. Oh, see, more is popping out right there. So I don't have a bald spot over here. And look. That's clearing up. That looks good. Like I must have got off track right here. But that's okay because I can put some on this. Yeah, this is all filled in. I've got a couple ant holes right there. And I'm pretty sure why is because I put vapor rub Epsom salt in that one. And so then they moved. So that didn't help. So these look fine. There was that one. Oh, there's another ant hole. Let me pick this up and put it over here. Let's see. Remember that one that was dying over here? Oh, look, there's a hole right there, man. I'm going to have to put some stuff. It's like there's like these little sage rats is what they call them. Oh, my mic came out from under my mask. I need to post that back up there. Because the wind is just too rough. The sage rat doesn't seem to do any damage. But I just don't want him to live here. Last year I had one and he drowned in the tub. Yeah, there's not very much water in the tub, but it's not draining that well. So we'll come down here and we'll take a look. Wow, the 4 o'clocks did all right. This looks like a sunflower seed right there. That's a 4 o'clock. There's 2 4 o'clocks. There's one. I planted a lot of 4 o'clocks through here. There's one. That's a sunflower. So I only got a couple. So I'm going to have to... I have more seeds. So I'm going to have to Try again. Oh, this is doing good. I'm surprised. These are slow going, but it's going. These are the dill. I don't remember what these are. But I'm just going to let them grow. All of these are doing good. I planted so many sunflowers here. I cannot believe I'm only getting a few. So I might be able to go in and poke some. Same thing with back there and just like a few. I mean, I planted so many in here. All right, let's look. I'm trying to keep my eye on that lavender. I'm pretty sure I planted something along here. Oh, the mint is finally popping up in here. Not seeing any in this one yet. But I know better than to mess with... Oh yeah, right there. There's one little spot. You never, like, if you buy mint and then it looks like this, do not dump that out. This held up good, and I transplanted it the day before the snowstorm, so that's fantastic. Those are doing good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty sure I planted quite a few in here, but... Oh, this is the potato. I'm glad I didn't give up on that. Oh, there's more. Look at that. There's 3 spots. So, super glad I didn't give up on that. Oh, my friend Kim from the North End channel. She's in Idaho. And her channel's name is the North End. She gifted me this. See, this one's got a different temperature than what Google says. I love this thing. How freaking cute is this? Absolutely adorable. Okay, hold on. I have this other one I'm going to go look at that I bought. I'm so glad. Like, this is the... See, yeah, this one's... But this one, there's no wind right here. So it's different temperatures. But how cute is that? Big old ladybug. This says welcome. I absolutely love it. Okay, so my envision for this one is actually... I want it over here. Oh, I know where I want it. I do. This one, because I golf over here, I want it over here so that I can see it. I love this. This is like perfect. How adorable. I believe this temperature more than I do the other one. But there's a lot of wind out here. Oh, no. What the heck? The whole bottom broke off of it. And the whole side. What the heck? Dude, the wind out here is so brutal. Man. I have to find that other piece. It's right here. I'm going to try to glue my whole pieces back together. I'll tuck him back here a little bit. I don't want him to fall off. That sucks. Ugh, the wind is so brutal out here. Absolutely ridiculous. Okay, so back to Kim with the North End. And she also got me this one. And it's a tractor with little spinnies on it. And I haven't found the perfect spot for it yet, like I just found for the ladybug. Ooh, it would look great right here, though. I think I would like it. See how deep I can make it go. I need to tighten it. Yeah, this is like where I'd want it. I need to take that tag off. How adorable is that? Chicken tractor, it's so farmy. Love it. Oh, I love it. Okay, so we were going along here. Then Leah so late for the prepper party with J and L. Leah, my friend, she got me the Bumblebee. How cute! She got me the sun. She got me on a ladybug. And this one, I think I love this one. This one's a butterfly. I love it. Beautiful. And she brought me this amazing noodle lunch thingy. Oh, I had it for lunch yesterday and dinner. And then I had it again for lunch today. And I have like a tiny bit left that I'm hoping I can I'm going to have it with some chicken that I make. So it's like a little extra side piece and salad. Because it's not enough for a full meal tonight. So I do like that this is filling in back here a little bit, but I see some bald spots, but this is thickening up some. I'm going to have to get like something. Well, I have a live trap. So I'm going to have to get something to go into the live trap so I can catch that whatever that's in my yard, and then try to figure out what I can put on the around the outside of my yard to discourage them from coming in. And look at the asparagus, ended up being just fine. But the other time it got way too cold. So the asparagus didn't go limp on me. The lilies look fine. I noticed that these blooms are going to be fine. Look, there's going to be so many. I'm excited. Let's see. These onions, they can take a 2-foot snowdrift, 3-foot snow. I believe they can even make it through 4. Like, they can make it. The tulips are already done for the season. I don't know if they were able to get pollinated. The strawberries are fine. This is spearmint, and it got like a little bit droopy, but it looks like it's going to pull through. So pretty much everything did okay through that little snow drift we had. All the echinaceas are fine. The raspberries, look at this. Which I need to get a hold of Kenny Sue and see if I can't get more raspberries. I just want to keep them in pots because raspberries will take over. You got to be careful when you're planting raspberries. Although Elle's mom told me that if you take like metal tin or something and you dig it deep enough into a square, she says a certain many inches, but I don't remember what it was. And if you get it low enough or deep enough, then you can put it in the ground, but you got to make a perfect square and you got to make it to where they can't get past it. And you got to dig down. But I'm just going to keep them in pots. I have some bigger pots that I can do. That one's doing fine. There's one right there. There's another one. So there'll be a couple sunflowers over here, but they don't do great over here. So other than that, everything's looking good. I decided to put the shelf down further so I can take my time transplanting these. These are not as great as these are purple irises too, but they're ones that I brought from the coast, so they're not as prevalent. They're old. These ones are older than those ones out there, but they're not as hardy, so I got to work with it. I want to transplant that, but I'm going to have to wait for a couple days because it needs to warm up some. And tomorrow's going to be like 59, and then the next day is going to be in the low 60s, like next couple days. And then it's by the 19th of May, so today's the 13th. 14, so next week, it's going to warm up again to 60s, 70s. So I'm just going to wait till then before I do any more transplanting. I want to pull this out because this is a morning glory. This is a morning glory too. I see a couple more, but I'm not going to try to fight my way in there. Okay, so peace, love, and happiness. May peace be with you always. Have a wonderful day, week, hour, month, minute, second, year, and day. Don't forget to rewind and be kind. You know the schmeal. And I appreciate your time and watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope that I'm not breathing too hard in this mask and that everything works out. Oh, even the tulip was fine. Even that did fine. See how I have some suckers from this tree coming up? I guess those are actually on the bottom there. But what I want to try is to do this thing where you strip like this much on it, and then you put a cucumber on either side, and then you put a plastic cup, you fill the cup with dirt, and then you put a dark bag over it, and then 40 days supposedly it's got roots. So I want to do that on one, two, at least three. I might be able to squeeze 4 in there on that one and try to get 4 more trees. And then down here, I have the same thing. 1, 2. I can probably get 3 or 4 off of this one. And if I can make replica trees, that's 8 trees. This one doesn't have a good enough strong to do it, but 8 trees. And I want to go and plant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, I wouldn't mind having 5 apple trees out there. Maybe I should only do like 3. And if I have 8, that gives me, so then that gives me 5 to be like, in case they don't do well. Or if they do all do really well, that means I can give away 5. And that would be awesome. All right, I got to get going. Otherwise, 20 minutes, this is ridiculous. I yap too long. All right, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.